Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I want to take you behind the scenes from a previous photo shoot that I had with Phoenix Rose. Now, originally I live streamed the entire photography session on YouTube, so you go ahead and check that video out. I'll leave a link to it in the description section down below. Aside from taking you behind the scenes, most importantly is I want to share the final results. That's right, I want to share the images throughout this video that I captured during this photo shoot. Now, the camera that I used during the shoot was the Nikon Z8 with the Nikkor Z 50mm f1.2 lens. And as my light source, well, it was natural light. So I used the natural ambient light that was given in San Francisco during that photo shoot. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, post them down below. Of course, I'll leave a link to Phoenix Rose herself to go follow her on Instagram, as well as to the products that I used throughout the shoot. I hope you enjoyed the video. Post your comments down below. Let me know your thoughts. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, etc. Either way, let's get to it. Happy hour.
We're near Venusia's restaurant too.
Oh yeah. I mean, if you want to try to stop by there. Okay. This looks really nice. Right there. Breathe through your mouth. Yeah. Yeah. Now do the. Just doing something where your left shoulder push forward a little bit. Yeah, like this. Don't do that. Yeah. Don't do that. Don't do it. Yeah, that's. I like that a lot, actually. Right there. Look, turn your chin that way. There we go. That's beautiful. No. See, you switch it up. No. Okay, at least got the shot I wanted. Turn around. Like, no. It's YouTube, okay? Okay. I'll sing like this. So something, yeah, I like that. We got. I would say less. Yes, I do. I was filming one day. I was filming my first drama. It was my third short film. And guess what? Someone tried to run up and grab my camera from our tripod as we were filming, and then we all ran after it. And his homie was in his car, so yes, I'm careful.
Yeah.
You know? So